Need to upgrade your bathroom? Easy with our 100% waterproof light core wall panels. Our wall panels feature a 4-layer build with our game-changing patented EPC core. Our matching aluminum accessories give a perfect, seamless finish. Cut to size with a standard saw. No drying time, no complicated finishing. Glue them straight to a clean, most free wall, or nail them up traditionally. Our simple tongue and groove system means no messy grout, no ugly seams, just lighting fast, easy installation. For wet areas like showers and tub surrounds, just add a thin bead of silicone between joints. Beautify the world with style.